lesson, 76, it's on consecutive integers. We will use the letter N to find any unknown integer, okay? There is a first, a second, a third, a fourth. That's what they mean by consecutive. They're going to use N for first, N plus 1 for second, N plus 2 for third, N plus 3 for fourth. And obviously, if you don't see a pattern, come on guys, we're old enough. Right, so when they're asking for consecutive integers, they're asking for a pattern of numbers, okay? So the question will say the sum of the first and the third integer equals, which is, and then it's going to give you a number. So what you're trying to find is the first and the third integer. So again, you're going to go back and you're going to say this is the first integer, this is the third integer, and it's going to equal 146. So you write it out as n plus 2. Okay, so the first and the third is equal to 146. First thing you want to do is you want to combine your n's. So n plus n is 2n, right? And so it's like distributive property, like you're multiplying your n's. So 1n times n is just moving it, and it's 2n. And then you're adding 2, and it's equal to 146. The next step, you subtract 2 from both sides. To keep your equation equal, you have to do it on both sides of the equation, because you're not only taking it away from this side, but you're going to either add or take it away from the other side as well. And then after you do that, it's going to equal to 144 on one side, and you still have this 2n. In order to get n by itself, you need to divide. So you divide the 2n here, which is going to cancel that out, and then 144 divided by 2 is equal to 72. Alright, so now you have your n. Your n is equal to 72. So now that you have this number, you have to plug the 72 into your unknown. So the first, obviously n equals 72. N plus 1, 73. N plus 2, 74. So that's all you're doing. You're substituting this number n into every n, and then you're adding on to it. And then your answer overall will be 72, 73, and 74. If you have any questions, message